it's me Sherry and welcome back to my channel. So as you can see from the title, today is going to be my Boxycharm video. There's my Boxycharm right here. So this is the August base box and we're just gonna unbox it. I already looked at it, so no surprises for me, but it actually came early this month. It came on the Friday the 13th. You'd think that I'd have bad luck on that day, but I actually got my Boxycharm. So I'm a little bit closer because I have stuff behind my tripod there, so I can't get it any further away. So I apologize if you're closer up to me than normal. Okay, so the theme for this month is Boxycharm Go All Out. So we're going to go in order of the products, and all the information about Boxycharm will be down below. So the first product that I got, which I'm not going to open because I have enough skincare open right now, but this is the Kate Somerville Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. So this is what it looks like, and then I'll show you what the packaging looks like, the inside packaging. It has a little smiley face up here, and this is what the packaging looks like. So I'm going to show you guys that as I read this. Revive dull, dry, lackluster looking skin with Kate's Exfoliate Glow Moisturizer. Powerhouse ingredients remove dead surface skin cells while smoothing fine lines and wrinkles to reveal younger looking skin. And this retails for $70. But as I said, I don't really need the box, but I'm going to put this away. It's sealed. I didn't open it yet, so I don't need any moisturizers open right now, so I'm just going to put that away. The next product in here was my choice. This is the Purely's Afterglow Serum BB Cream SPF 40. Again, I'm going to toss the box. This has an expiry date of, well, it doesn't expire till 2024, so here's what this looks like. Purely's Afterglow, Purely's Ageless Glow Serum BB Cream with SPF 40. A multitasking serum infused beauty balm that contains, okay, wait a second. I don't know what that word is. Bok choy, that's what it is. Bok choy, algae, collagen, and vitamin C to firm the skin's elasticity, brighten, and moisturize. Oil, all while providing full, natural, glowy coverage and protecting your skin with SPF 40. So, good. This was my choice item. So, I actually have, where's it at? I have so many of these type of products. Okay, I know it's in here somewhere. There it is. I actually have this one, Purely's Perfect Glow BB Cream SPF 30, and I really enjoy this one, so I want to give this one a try. So we'll see how that works. The next product that I have is Dior Cosmetics Limited Edition Venus 12 Shade Palette. This is very interesting packaging. Look at that. It looks like the galaxy. And here is, look at this. Isn't that beautiful? I'm not going to touch it because I'm not sure what I'm going to do with this yet. And I don't want any prints to be in it. So I'm going to put the little protective seal back over it. But it is absolutely stunning. Like, look at that packaging. It's stunning. Dior Cosmetics Limited Edition Venus 12 Shade Palette. Float through the stars with this limited edition palette. It represents the planet Venus with 12 shades that embody glittering gold to warm, natural brown colors. The opaque, high pigmented satin soft formula provides an adverse for multiple beautiful shades, ranging from matte, shimmery, creamy, ultra shiny glitter, and shimmer with sparkle to create your glam look. This retails for $29.99. I forgot to say that this retails for $38, this BB cream. Alright, so we have we have two makeup items and a skincare item. The next product is by Earth Harbor Naturals. Looks like this, and I'll show you the packaging, because I get rid of the boxes just so I can store stuff. Like it gives, oh, does it give anything? Okay, I might have to keep the box for this one because the little open jar thing is on the box, so I might have to keep this box. But this is what it looks like. It's like a green color. Earth Harbor Naturals Aqua Aurora Reparative Eye Cream. Inspired by the incandescent blue-green crystal known for healing and strengthening, Aqua Aurora Reparative Eye Cream is restorative and awakening, featuring a brightening and hydrating combination of seaweed collagen, blue tansy, patent antioxidants, replenishing plant oils, and soothing active for an eye area that looks firmer and feels stronger. This retails for $34. So I like getting eye creams and facial creams. Whoa, I almost knocked the rest of the box over, so we're just gonna toss that over on the bed now so I don't knock it over. Sorry guys, with my vision I kind of stumble over my words a little bit, so I apologize for that. I'm just trying to read it the best that I can for you guys, but it is what it is, right? It's my new saying lately. I've been saying it a lot. It is what it is. But yeah, that's pretty good. So I have two makeup items and two skincare items. And I guess this one you can consider a little bit of both. This is from Manicure. It's a hydrating face mist. Okay, this is more skincare. That's what that looks like. Look at the, this is pretty. It's like white and rose gold marble. Isn't that pretty? Okay, this is a short one. Manicure Beauty. Soothe and refresh tired skin with a mist that preps skin for a hydrated base before makeup application. Oh, okay. This mighty mix of minerals wakes up skin, leaving you ready to take the rest of the day. This retails for $19. I just want to see what the mister's like on this. I'm just curious. I don't have like a... I like that they sealed it for travel reasons. Okay, half of the plastic came off. Good job, Sherry. Get the rest of it off. I like that they did seal it though in plastic because it makes it safe for travel. Oh, oh. It kind of smells... Can you guys see that mist? Might have a bit of a rose smell, but it smells okay. I don't mind the smell of that, so that's good. So that's everything that I got in my Boxycharm. Did I say July before? If I did, I apologize. It's August 2021. Okay, guys, so if you made it far in this video, then I know you've been watching the whole video. And I have a little surprise for you guys. I'm going to do a little giveaway, okay? So I'm going to give away this palette that you've seen in today's video. Very pretty. You can actually search on YouTube for the Dior Venus palette and it'll show like some videos with some swatches and stuff. I don't need another neutral palette. This one's very neutral, so if you're a neutral girl, then you'll love this palette. So I want to give this away. And last month, I got a liquid liner, which hasn't been touched. It's from Bella Pierre liquid liner. It's just a black liquid liner. So I'm going to give that away. So it's just a little giveaway, but it's just something to show my appreciation and people that are watching my videos. So if you want to be entered, just leave a comment down below and thumbs up the video if you enjoyed it. and you'll automatically be entered into that giveaway. And I'll just pick somebody at random on the 2 weeks from today, so it'll be the 31st of August. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're new here, and the post notification bell so you'll be notified of future uploads. And I tend to upload on Tuesdays and Thursdays. My videos might be a little sporadic for the month of August, but I'll be back to normal in September. And I hope you guys are all doing well, and take care of yourselves and each other, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye everyone.